So hello YouTube, this is my first episode of Pokemon Renegade Platinum Nuzlocke. All the normal Nuzlocke rule apply, permanent death, catching the first encounter of every route, and nicknaming every Pokemon in the battle mode should always be on set. So let's get into the game. ये पोकेमन रेनेगेड प्लैटिनम एक रॉम है क्या नॉर्मल पोकेमन प्लैटिनम का, लेकिन इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फीचर्स हैं। गेम थोड़ा हार्डर है, मोर इनकाउंटर्स, फेजी टाइप को ऐड कर दिया है और बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस हैं। जेन 8 मैकेनिक्स हैं या जेन 7 मैकेनिक्स हैं, इन दोनों में से किसी एक जेन के मैकेनिक्स है। तो जेन 4 मैकेनिक्स नहीं है, तो फिर साइकिक टाइप जितने ओपी नहीं है जितने वो पहले थे। सो साइकिक स्टील टाइप्स। तो लेट्स गेट इन द गेम। तो अभी ये बस गेम के बारे में बता रहे कि दिस इज एन रॉम हैक। इस रॉन्ग हैक में चीज़ें बदली गई हैं, अभी ये मेन गेम का भी हिस्सा नहीं है। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द गेम। हेलो देयर, इट्स सो वेरी नाइस टू मीट यू। वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ पोकेमॉन। माय नेम इज रोहान। However, everyone just calls me the Pokemon Professor. Before I go any further, is this your first adventure? If you need advice, I'm certainly capable of giving it. No info needed. I have played Pokemon a lot. This world is widely inhabited by creatures known as Pokeball. Here, I have a Pokeball. Touch the button on the middle of the Pokeball if you please. Okay. Hey, Eevee! We humans live alongside Pokemon as friends. At times we play together and other times we work together. People use their Pokemon to battle and develop clearer bonds with them. What do? I conduct research so that we may learn more about Pokemon. Now, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself? Are you a boy or a girl? I'm a boy. So, alright, you're a boy. Yep, I'm a boy. I'm a boy. I'm gonna name myself the Alpha of the pack. I'm gonna be the Alpha of the pack, of course. Okay, so the naming has been done. Okay, I did something wrong. एक सेकेंड गाइस, मैं अल्फा लिख के आया, तो इस बार मैंने आई को एंड एल को कंफ्यूज नहीं किया, तो अब मैंने अल्फा लिख दिया है। लेट्स गो। सो you're alpha, huh? Yes, I'm alpha. A fine name that is. I know that's a fine name. Now this boy, I believe he's your friend. आपको हमारा नाम कैसे नहीं पता? What might his name be? Barry Kripke. Barry is your friend's name? Yes, he's Barry Kripke. Alright, Alpha, the time has come. Your very own tale of grand adventures about to unfold. On your journey, you will meet countless Pokemon and people. I'm sure that along the way, you will discover many things, perhaps even something about yourself. Now go on, leap into the world of Pokemon. Thank you, Purple. Renegade Platinum वाला अच्छा रोमैक है, and game शुरू होने वाला है. That concludes the special program. Let's ask Professor Rohan. Brought to you by Jubilife TV on Nationwide Net. Well, TV चल रहा है. See you next week. Same time, same channel. तो फिर अभी हमारा गेम शुरू हो गया है. Yes, controllers and Barry आ गया है. There you are. Hey Alpha, did you see the TV? Sure you did. Professor Rohan, that's really important guy who studies Pokemon, right? That means he must know a lot of Pokemon. So if we ask him, I bet he'd give us some Pokemon. Hey, this is a new PC. Where was I? Alright, we are going to see Professor Rohan and get some Pokemon. I'll be waiting outside. Okay, Alpha, if you're late, I'm finding you 10 million Poké Dollars. That's a lot of Poké Dollars. तो फिर अगर आप इस रोम हैक के पीसी में जाओगे तो फिर आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये वो है कि आपको पोकेमॉन रेनेगेड प्लैटिनम का इंस्ट्रक्शन गाइड मिल जाएगी, सारे के रूल. आपको वेबसाइट की लिंक दे देता है जिसमें आपको मिल जाएगा पोकेमॉन रेनेगेड. तो नीचे चलते हैं. मम्मा, हेलो मम्मा. Barry already left. You're gonna go after him, right? Then take your running shoes. You need to leave in a hurry. इसमें आपको बहुत जल्दी रनिंग शूज मिल जाते हैं. You should get your bike with you as well, dear. क्या इसमें बाइक भी मिल जाती है? बाइक तो वहाँ पे नहीं मिलती है फर्स्ट जिम वाले टाउन में. फर्स्ट जिम वाले टाउन में आई डोंट नो कि स्टार्टिंग में मिलती है, मतलब थोड़ी लेट मिलती है, वरना डायरेक्ट साइकिलिंग लोड. ओ मामा की ईवी. मामा हैज अ ईवी, दैट्स गुड. हमने नॉर्मल पोकेमॉन प्लैटिनम तो हम सब ने खेला होगा, तो फिर हमें ये तो पता है कि हमें इसके घर पे जाना है. एंड बैरी, माय मैन, यू आर सो अनोइंग. बैरी, what was that about? Oh, hey Alpha. Hey, I'm going to see Professor Rohan. You should come too. And quickly. Oh geez, forgot something. और इसके पापा हैं यहाँ पे क्या? ओरिजिनली तो इसके पापा नहीं होते ना, तब मुझे याद है नहीं होते, क्या पता होते हो. मेरे को बहुत टाइम हो गया गाइस पोकेमॉन प्लैटिनम खेले हुए. तब मुझे याद है सिंथिया इज द हार्डेस्ट चैंपियन एवर. I better take my bag in general too and say goodbye to Dad before he leaves. Oh hey Alpha, I'll be waiting on the road. It's a 10 million Poké dollars fine if you're late. Bye. और इसके पापा भाग गए. I don't care about his mother. She's always there. Too slow. All right, let's get moving to Professor Rohan's lab. What? Don't go into the grass, right? No worries, no problems. It doesn't matter that we don't have any Pokemon. Trust me on this one. I've got an idea. Now listen. You know how wild Pokemon jump out when you go into tall grass? Now what you do is you scout over the next patch of grass before any wild Pokemon can appear. If we just keep dashing, we can get to Sandgem Town without running into wild Pokemon. Okay, stick with me. Okay, here he goes. On your marks, hold it. You two don't seem to have any Pokemon between you. Then what is the meaning of going into the tall grass? Hey Alpha, this old guy, it's Professor Rohan, isn't it? What's he doing here? They tried to go into the tall grass because they wanted Pokemon. What to do? The world would surely change if they were Pokemon to meet Pokemon. Is it right for me to put them on that path? You two truly love Pokemon, do you? Yes, we do, man. Me too. I love Pokemon too. I will ask you once again. You two, you truly love Pokemon, do you? What? You can ask 100 times. The answer will never change. We'll both answer 100 times. We love Pokemon. Alright, Alpha? Yes, man. Sure, man. A pair of Leproscoos who foolishly try to enter the tall grass without Pokemon of their own. It worries me what people like that would do with Pokemon. Wreak havoc on the world and become the champion. That's what we will do. Give us the damn Pokemons. Oh, well then forget about me, but give a Pokemon to my friend here. I mean, it was me who tried to go into the tall grass and all. How big of you. Very well then, I entrust you two with Pokemon. I apologize for putting you through this exercise. However, you must promise me that you will never recklessly endanger yourself again. Okay, now then. Now where? Barry? Barry, इतना selfless कैसे हो सकता है तू? Professor Rohan, you left your breakfast at the lake. Oh, is there something wrong here? Oh, there is it. Oh, there is it. Darn nice work. What was I about to do was to entrust these two off with their own Pokemon. Pardon? Those Pokemon are hard to replace. Are you sure you're going to give them away? Actually, they're the only Pokemon in the whole world that we can go in the whole Sinnoh region, which is very weird because, well, how did he get them? We exist side by side with Pokemon. There comes time when people should meet Pokemon. There is a world they should be exploring together. For them, today is the time, the place, right here. Oh, go on, open the breakfast and choose the Pokemon. Really? I can't believe it. I'm so happy now that I can't even keep a straight face. Hey, Alpha, you choose first. I'm practically a grown-up, so I have to show some class here. Very classy if you bury the Kripke. Okay. जब मैंने मेरा गेम पहली बार खेला था तो मैंने चूज किया था everyone's favorite Pokemon. Of course, Chimchar क्योंकि वो easiest है and I like Infernape. No questions there. तो मैं इस बार या तो पिंपलअप चूज करूंगा या फिर टर्टविक। तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं पिंपलअप के साथ टर्टविक के साथ जाऊँ, क्योंकि वेल ग्रास ग्राउंड इज अ गुड टाइपिंग एंड वेल आई लाइक टर्टविक। तो मैं जाता हूँ पिपलप की जगह इसके साथ। सॉरी पिपलप, we'll meet again someday. Then I choose you. I'm picking the Chimchar very well. Both of you have a good Pokemon, it seems. Now listen well. The Pokemon you have been interested with are unfamiliar with the world. In that regard, they are much like you. As fellow newcomers to the world, hope I hope you'll do well together. If you have any trouble, come see me at the lab in Sandgem Town. For now, we'll be on our way. Professor, wait for me, please. I'm sorry. Please let me pass. You can go on. I like you. I don't like Barry. How do you like that? Professor Ron's really nice. The TV seems stone and scary. Hey, Alpha, we have both got Pokemon now. There's only one thing we to do. Right? Are you up for this? Yes, man. I'm gonna fight you, alright? I've always wanted to say this. It's time to finally come. Alpha, I challenge you to a battle. Let's go, man. I'm gonna show you my skills, man. Yeah, man. Shimchar. Turtwig. इसमें मेरी टर्टवी के पास ऑलरेडी अब्जॉर्व है। वाओ, इसमें पहले तो विड्रॉ एंड टैकल ही होता था, लेकिन इसका मतलब उसके पास एम्बर है। इसका मतलब वो एम्बर यूज करेगा तो मैं तो खत्म हूँ। ये ना अच्छी बात है कि वो एम्बर यूज नहीं करता है, इतना मुझे पता है उससे। तो काश वो एम्बर यूज ना करे। टैकल करूंगा मैं, टैकल टैकल करूंगा, दिखाता हूँ मेरी टैकलिंग स्किल्स। आई डोंट केयर। चलते पोकेबॉल्स नहीं आती है, नेज़लॉक शुरू नहीं होती है जो मैंने सुना है। तो वेल okay, now this is serious. Yes, I defeated you, dumb monkey thing. Actually like Chimchar. He's cute. And Infernape's broken. High special attack, high attack, flamethrower, and close combat, everything. That's good. Hey, let's go home. I beat after that battle. My Pokemon needs rest to see Alpha. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mom. What's the matter, dear? Whoa, that's what happened to you. You and Barry are lucky to have to meet Professor Rohan. Imagine if you didn't. I wouldn't like to think what the wild Pokemon might have done to you too. Alpha, go see Professor Rohan and thank him properly for my problem. His lab's in Santagen time, isn't it? Now that you have your own wild Pokemon, the tall grass won't be threatening. ईवी ममा की क्या है, ममा हमें अपनी ईवी देंगी इस गेम में, लेकिन आपको और कहीं से भी ईवी मिलती है ना। एंड वहाँ पे है बैरी। तो फिर अभी मुझे कंटिन्यू करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है गाइस। तो फिर अगली एपिसोड में देखते हैं हम लोग इसे कि हम कहाँ तक पहुँच पाएंगे। अभी तक तो नेज़लॉक फैक्टर भी नहीं हुआ है। एक सेकेंड, सबसे पहले तो हम कुछ चीज़ें कर देते हैं। टेक स्पीड फास्ट एंड शिफ्ट को सेट मोड पे। यस, तो फिर अभी अगले एपिसोड में हम लोग जाएंगे एंड पहला पोकेमॉन मीट करेंगे, पहला पोकेमॉन पकड़ेंगे। मेरे हिसाब से काश हम पहला पोकेमॉन पकड़े। एंड हम सैंटाजेम टाउन जाएंगे। इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें चेंज हो गई हैं इस गेम में। तो फिर ये मेरी फर्स्ट नेज़लॉक होगी जो मैं कंप्लीट करूँगा। मैं चाहता हूँ मैं कंप्लीट करूँ। तो वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड गाइस। बाय बाय।